So it is possible to remove paint from these Lexan bodies without fucking up the body, as long as you use something that doesn't eat the plastic. This lacquer thinner we use at work here, it leaves a little bit of a white tint, but that cleans off using a little bit of soap and water. As you can see, it's gotten rid of quite a bit of the black spray paint without messing up the Lexan. So that's how you can remove paint from a Lexan body. So if you've enjoyed this, and this is something that you find interesting or something you want to learn about, feel free to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment, share these videos. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out on any of the social medias. I will have them all tagged in the description below. But yeah, so have a good day, everybody, and enjoy.